Headlines. IFM News.
IFM 24 hours of germ protection. Shield Bath Soap, Shield Bath Soap. 24 hours of germ protection. Shield Bath Soap, Shield Bath Soap.
Protektahan ang kalusugan ng pamilya. Mag-Shield Bath Soap regularly. Kills 99.9% ng germs at recommended pa ng Philippine Nurses Association.
Shield Bath Soap, Shield Bath Soap.
Shield. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit. Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Palakasin ang resistensya, iwas-iwas sa sakit with proper diet and exercise.
Huwag kayong magmukhang pera at masiyahan na kayo sa anumang nasa inyo. Sapagkat sinabi ng Diyos, hindi kita iiwan, ni pababayaan man. Mga Hebreo, Kabanata 13, Talata 5.
Ang mabuting balita ay hatid sa inyo ng MX3.
Palakasin ang resistensya, iwas-iwas sa sakit with proper diet and exercise.
May double light na pare, doble suabe. Itong tikman mo dapat, doble sarap. Ang saya-saya, tara sumabay ka. Double, double, double light. Double, double, double light. Double light nga talaga.
Bagong Emperador Double Light.
Doble suabe, doble sarap.
Drink responsibly.
Idol, ang oras natin 5:16.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang sarap makinig araw-gabi. Idol din niya to kasi ang Idol kong FM
104.7.
IFM.
IFM News.
Panganib ng COVID-19.